Okay, we're graduating with our Master's of Computer Science right now, and we're waiting outside Matthews Arena, and then we're gonna walk in and then get graduated.
Get graduated, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good time.
You sound so not excited, Joe.
Final words before graduating Master's khoury?
No.
No.
We're graduating. Let's get it.
I'm really tempted to take someone else's name.
Why?
I don't know, it'd be fun.
Scott Allen Foster. Elizabeth in Hai Huang. Joseph Allen Quillman.
Now let's get to it. For everyone here at Khoury College, congratulations to the class of 2025.
You step forward today as innovators, as visionaries, and as leaders. I am pleased to present the candidates who qualified for the degree of Master of Science. Congratulations, Khoury graduates.